Hey guys, this is Elias with Softfly, and in this video we are going to export Metabox custom fields to Google Drive using Zapier and WPL export. Now guys, to get started we need to set up an export, and we have other videos where we do this from scratch, but in this example I have one ready here. So I'm just gonna show you guys what we're gonna export. And this is a bunch of restaurants, and these restaurants have, well, a great variety of fields. Let me get one for you. And here you go. Right, so we have a bunch of simple text fields. Then we have a couple of time pickers. Then a date picker, radio, checkboxes. Then a couple of select fields, like so, right? Then here in the media tab, we have an image advanced field with multiple images in it. And then we have a clonable group. Now, this clonable group has 3 subfields, 2 text fields, and 1 radio, right? And you can add as many subgroups as you want, right? Now, guys, all of this is what we're gonna export here, and you can export all of these fields and more with the Meta Box export add-on. So let's just get on with that. Before that, let's just preview, just so you can see. Here we have the name, description, cuisine, and all of the other fields. Here you can see our image advanced field, exporting all of the images as URLs. And then we have a bunch more of fields. Now, some of these fields have some interesting stuff going on. For example, here the opening and closing times have custom date formats, right? Then the open scenes also have a custom date format. And for the gallery, we're actually using here a quick PHP function, right, to change the pipes and transform them into commas. Now, if you want to know how to do all of that, you can check out the other videos in our channel, or just go to our website at wplimport.com, click on the docs menu, and go nuts there. For now, let's just continue with this template. So let's update template here. Cool. And since we're gonna export Metabox custom fields to Google Drive, we're gonna need Zapier. Now, you can find that here in zapier.com. Create a free account, and once you're there, you will see something like this. Now, there is 2 ways you can go about this. You can use their AI, so you can maybe type in here what you want to do, which in this case is maybe export from WP all export, right, and upload to Google Drive, right? So you just go with that. There you go. Here we have export from WP export and upload to Google Drive. Here is step 1, which is an export from WP export, and upload that to Google Drive. It's very redundant, I guess, but it's very simple if you want to go that way. Now, if you want to do it manually, just go here to create, right, and SAPs, and you will be taken here. Now you can ask the Zapier AI here to do this for you too, but it's fairly simple to do it manually, so let's do that. Let's click here on the trigger and look for WPL export. Here it is, but in case you don't see it here, you can just type in here WP all export and it will show up. Alright, so for the event, we're going to choose new export file and click continue. Now, we need an account, and this means that we need to connect Zapier with WPL export, and for that we need the WPL export API key for Zapier. So let's click on the sign in button, right? So this window will pop out, and go back here to WPL export, click on settings, and you will find your API right here, right? Just copy that, go back here to the window, paste the API key here, and then you just need to copy the website's URL. So just do that, like so, and paste it here, right? So click on the button to continue, and there you go. It's that easy, guys. Now with this, we've connected our site and WPL export with Zapier. Now let's click continue and test the trigger, which should be fairly quick. There you go. Let's continue with the selected record, and then we need an action. Now that was the trigger, so that is what's gonna trigger our SAP, right, or automation, which is gonna be a new export file in WPL export. Now we need the action, which means what happens after that. And we need to choose the app that is gonna do that action, which is gonna be Google Drive. And here we're gonna select an event, and I'm gonna choose upload a file. We have quite a bunch of options here, but I'm gonna go with this. Then continue. The account, this is the account we're gonna use. You can just click here and connect new account, right? It will pop out this window, and you can just select an account from there, right? Now I have mine already connected, so I'm gonna go with this one. Continue, and here on the drive, I'm gonna choose my Google Drive. For the folder, I'm just gonna leave it empty because I don't want to move this into any folder. I just want it here in the Google Drive main directory. So let's go with that. For the file, we're gonna choose export file, right? Then convert to document. We're gonna say true. File name, well, this kind of depends on what you wanna call this export file. In my case, I'm gonna go with the export name. That's good. You can type in here even custom data and it will work too. All right. Then for the file extension, we're gonna use here file type, right, which is coming directly from WPL export. So let's click continue and test our step. So this is gonna send a test file to Google Drive. So let's open that and see what we got. Here it is. And here it is. You can see this is the actual data we needed, right? So this is working. And since that's working, let's just publish this app. And there you go. That's it. You can even give it a name. I'm gonna name this Meta Box Export. Right? That's it. Now guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more about how to import or export these kinds of data, or if maybe you're using ACF or Jet Engine, maybe WooCommerce on your site, you can import and export all of that too with WPL import and WPL export. For now, thank you for watching and see you next time.